Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser in offline. It's a very simple process. First, you have to come over into this website. Don't worry, it will going to work in offline. After coming over this section, you're going to find out download the latest for Windows. And here you're going to find for your need, if you're using Windows 64-bit, then you can simply download it. If you want 32-bit, you can download it. If you're using ARM64, you can simply go for it. So my computer is 64-bit, that's why I'm going to click on download this, accept and download. It will going to work without internet, you don't need to worry about. After download this file, we're going to click on it 2 times and going to minimize all the background tab, and it's gathering information. And please wait while Windows configures Microsoft Edge. So it will take some seconds to complete. For that, you need to keep patience. After completing that, if you come over into your start icon and simply type your Edge, you're going to type the Microsoft Edge over here, you can see. So yeah, this is a very simply download and install Microsoft Edge in offline. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.